It's just because you haven't done it enough. You gotta train it and practice it, and you have to rep it over and over and over. And until you do that, it's not gonna feel natural. It's gonna feel mechanical, and it's gonna. And when everything hits the fan, it's not gonna work for you. You're gonna resort to something else. You're gonna freak out, and something else is gonna come out. It's because you just haven't repped it enough. You haven't made it part of your muscle memory. But when you have repped it enough, and you have done it enough, and you have put yourself in those scenarios over and over and over, you don't have the same emotional symptoms of adrenaline taking you out of your good structure and your good positions and your good Wing Chun. Is it ever as good as when you do it slow? Of course not. But you get so good at doing it that it doesn't really matter that it's not perfect. What matters is you've done it so much. So until you've done it over and over and over like that, you will still have those adrenaline rushes and that dump, that adrenaline dump, where you go completely out of your Wing Chun.
Get more free how-to videos at learnwingchun.com.